This one looks very thick, like, come on. Oh shit! Things can go wrong when trying to make protein ice cream shakes. So, yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan, and today I'm gonna share with you guys 4 different high protein ice creams. Actually, before we get started, I gotta go buy some groceries at the grocery store. So, let's go do that first. Alrighty guys, just picked up all the ingredients. Now let's go back home. Whoa! Alright guys, got all the ingredients. Now let's get this video started. Actually guys, before we get started, there are a couple prerequisites you need in order to actually make a protein ice cream. So first thing you need is a high quality blender. Guys, trust me when I say this, I've tried making protein ice creams before with a super cheap $20 blender from Walmart, and it just doesn't turn out the same. Like, they either turn out super icy or super liquidy, and you don't get the right protein type of consistency. So I highly recommend you guys, if you haven't already, to invest in a high quality blender. I'm using a Ninja blender right here. It's absolutely awesome. It makes amazing protein ice cream. So definitely recommend a high quality blender. And number 2 is some xanthan gum. Basically all this is just a thickening agent. And so this basically turns it into like that super thick, creamy, voluminous ice cream like consistency. So yeah, you really don't need much of this, so only like 2 to 3 grams per ice cream. So yeah, like, it's kind of hard to find, but if you can find it, definitely recommend picking it up. If not, you can always look online. It may be a bit expensive, but trust me, a little bit of this will go a long way, so you'll have it for a really long time. Anyway, with that out of the way, now let's get started. Okay, so the first recipe we'll be making is a chocolate peanut butter protein ice cream. Let's get into it. So these are all the ingredients you need. So you need 1 serving or 8 grams of sugar-free, fat-free jello mix, preferably a chocolate flavor, 10 grams of cocoa powder, 1 scoop of a chocolate protein powder, 2 to 3 grams of xanthan gum, 1 serving or 15 grams of some powdered peanut butter. Guys, do me and yourself a huge favor and go for the powdered peanut butter. This literally has half the calories compared to actual peanut butter and has 85% less fat. So if your goal is to lose weight and you're trying to be in a caloric deficit, this is definitely a great alternative. It literally tastes like peanut butter, but it has half the calories. So definitely recommend this one. And then lastly, some almond milk, and then you're gonna blend that together with 400 grams of ice. Alright guys, once it's all inside of a blender, all you really gotta do from here is just blend it up. Here we go. Halfway through, make sure you scrape down the edges so nothing gets stuck to the edges. Alrighty guys, first shake is done. Chocolate peanut butter. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that anything chocolate has my name written all over it. I love anything chocolate. So before we get started, you gotta do the test. So the test is, if you can hold the ice cream on top of your head without it actually like falling on top of your head, you know you did it right. So let's test it out. Ooh, okay, we passed. So quick little taste test right here. There we go. Yeah, really, really good. And one thing I forgot to mention is that depending on your sweetness preference, you can add some Splenda to it if you want it sweeter. If not, that's fine. But yeah, either way, it's really, really good. This entire thing, like the size of my head, under 200 calories. So definitely, if you're trying to lose weight, this is a game changer. Try it out. Alrighty guys, shake number 2, we got a pumpkin pie protein ice cream. So let's test it. Oh, easy. I felt very comfortable and confident going into this. So yeah, like, very thick, as you guys can probably tell. Let's give it a taste test. If you like pumpkin pie, this is a no-brainer. You gotta try this out. Now you're probably wondering, Conan, how did you create this masterpiece? Well, I'm about to tell you. So the base for all these protein ice creams are pretty much the same. So it starts with 100 milliliters of almond milk. Then I added 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, and then 1 serving or 8 grams of a sugar-free, fat-free butterscotch pudding mix. Not a chocolate one, but a butterscotch one. Then I added some cinnamon, some salt, some Splenda, and 2 servings or 150 grams of pumpkin puree. Make sure it's the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling, because those two things are very different. One is added full of sugars, the other is pure pumpkin, so make sure you watch out for that. And that's basically it. Added 400 grams of ice cubes, blended it until it turned into something like this. I mean, this one looks very thick, like, come on. Oh shit! That did not go according to plan. I just spilled everything everywhere. Why did I do that? Not ideal. I'm gonna clean this up right now, but yeah. Damn. I failed the test. Shit, but I mean, from what is left, I'm gonna enjoy this. Yeah, that's good. Man, that really sucks. I should probably clean this like right now. Actually, I'm gonna enjoy this first. Shit. Alright, I'm not supposed to show you guys this, but things can go wrong when trying to make protein ice cream shakes. So, I mean, okay, so we spilled some here. Not ideal. What's even worse is that I got some on my sock too, and all over here. So, yeah, not good. We got some left though, like about that much, which I will enjoy, but I'm gonna have to clean this up. Alright guys, currently on our way to Dairy Queen to pick up a Blizzard. You'll soon see why. I think I'm gonna go for the chocolate raspberry Blizzard. Please get a small raspberry fudge Blizzard. Guys, that Blizzard was $6. Like, that's expensive. For a small Blizzard. Thank you. Alright guys, one small chocolate raspberry Blizzard. Let's see if it passes the ice cream test. Alright, it passed the test. Let's see if ours can pass the test. Alright guys, some very exciting stuff is about to go down. So, as you guys saw from earlier today, we went to Dairy Queen to pick up a raspberry chocolate Blizzard. This is a small size, by the way, and it has 600 calories in it. So, we picked this up. It was $6 too, so that's quite expensive. So, that, and then here's what we're gonna do, right? So, I just made up my own raspberry chocolate Blizzard right over here, which has like triple the volume and like triple less half the calories, if that makes sense. This only has like 200 calories and this has 600 calories, so like, yeah. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna kind of create my own Blizzard. So we got the base right here. So again, this is just how I normally make my protein ice cream. So scoop of protein powder, some almond milk, ice, raspberries, some sugar-free, fat-free jello mix, some cocoa powder, and I think that's it. So that's the base right in here. Then I make myself a chocolate protein cookie. We'll be chopping that up and mixing it into the ice cream, and some frozen raspberries that I just microwaved and just mushed up into like a jam kind of consistency. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put these two into the mix it all together. Then I'm gonna put this next to this. I'm gonna blindfold my parents. We're gonna do a kind of a blind taste test and see which one they prefer. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first nominee will be my mom. So mom, you can come in.
Okay.
Don't look.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, come here, just come to me.
Okay.
But don't look at the ice cream.
No.
Okay, so here are the rules. You're gonna be blindfolded. You can open your eyes.
Okay.
You're gonna be blindfolded during the process. I'm gonna give you 2 spoonfuls. One is the actual Blizzard, and the other is my own creation of it.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Are you ready?
Of course.
Okay,
Born
here.
ready.
Don't worry, it's clean. But here, okay.
I can't see anything.
Okay. You know where the spoon is and where your mouth is?
Yeah. Okay.
Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, put the spoon back.
That was good. I like that. You can't fool me. You can't fool me.
Okay, so clearly you can tell that the last one was...
your creation.
Yeah.
It's your creation.
So out of 10, what would you give the first one?
Oh, because I like, it's creamy. I would say it's a 9. But I'd say the giveaway, it's always the aftertaste.
Yeah, for some reason my mom can tell really clearly when there's protein powder involved. So she's probably the worst person to start with, but... Well, okay, so be honest, what would you give this
No,
one?
it's very good. If it wouldn't be for the aftertaste, no, I would say it's a 7.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
not bad. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. All right, you can...
Okay, nice.
Oh, and before you leave, just so you know, the actual one has 600 calories, whereas mine only has 200 calories.
Oh my goodness. And because we celebrate my win,
You continue eating the... Okay, whatever.
Nice.
Hey, you gotta save some for the rest. Alright, Cruz, you're next. Alright, Cruz, come here. Can you see?
Yeah, no, you
No,
can't
I
see.
can't.
Okay, so do you want me to give you the spoon or do you want to spoon it yourself?
Stop moving.
Mom, he can move. Well, do you want to spoon it yourself? Okay, do something. Okay, so that's number 1. Here's number 2. Okay, wait. After you can give your thoughts. Mom, stop! Let the people... Okay, ready? Okay, so, based on the 2, Mom, seriously.
What's going on?
Okay, no, she's just eating the other one. Okay, so based on the 2 you just ate, which one do you think was the actual blizzard?
The second one.
The second one. Okay, so what would you give each out of 10?
The first one, I would say 8 out of 10. And then the blizzard.
Oh, you knew it was the blizzard.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was I mean, the taste was actually quite similar.
Oh, really?
But the only thing that was like obvious was on the first one, it was very chewy. One piece of it, like the cookie part.
Yeah. Yeah, the cookie was a bit dry. Yeah.
Yeah. But the second one was a bit creamier too.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, you can unblindfold. Thanks for participating. Now let's get the Big D in. AKA
Who's Big D?
My dad. Okay, you can get him. Yeah, Mom, save some for the rest. Mom, what did I just say? Stop it. Okay, Mom, you gotta stop.
Mom,
Mom, you're being exposed. Stop eating it. Okay, here comes the Big D.
Right,
Okay, here we go.
Just keep your eyes closed.
Okay, so here's the plan. I'm gonna give you 2 different kinds of blizzards.
Got ya.
And you're gonna have to guess which one is the actual blizzard and which one is my creation.
Okay, so blizzard like is in something from a store.
You know what a blizzard is?
Yeah, I know what a blizzard is, but is it a homemade blizzard or is it a store-bought blizzard?
Yeah, see, that's what you're gonna have to figure
Oh,
out.
okay, gotcha. So, one is homemade and the other store-bought.
Yeah, you ready?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna spoon it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, open your mouth.
Okay, got ya. All right, next.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh God. The first one. That was like, this is like, there's something weird in there.
Okay, that was probably the cookie. Okay, so I'm guessing you already know which one was the real one.
I would say the first one.
And what would you give it out of 10 each?
The first one is like a really good blizzard, so I'll give it like I like the chocolate, so I'll give it like a 7. And then whatever you gave me, it tasted like I'll give it like a 3 because it tasted like there was something from like almost like I was eating sawdust.
Yeah, that was probably my attempted protein brownie.
Okay.
Alright, thanks for your
Did I win?
Yeah,
Did
you
I
got
win?
it, you got
Okay.
it.
What do I get?
You get nothing.
Okay. I want the first blizzard.
Wait, does Brenda want to come or no?
Brenda.
Or is he sleeping? Alright guys, so for the last one, my brother's gonna get them both. And basically, I'm gonna give him twice of the same one and see if he can see the difference.
Okay, Brendo?
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's coming.
Mask on.
Wait, make him put the mask on.
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, cover your eyes.
No, there's only 2 though. Okay, Brenda, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got 2 options. Do you want me to spoon it to you or do you want to spoon it yourself?
You can do it for me. You gotta come a little bit closer.
Okay, so there's gonna be 3 different kinds, okay?
3.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Open, yeah.
Oh, Bob! Clean it, come on.
Right on the shit.
Oh.
It's on the floor.
That's
It tastes like Oh wow. Very creamy. The second one?
Okay, ready for the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this one's a bit wetter, but it's okay. Be careful.
I'm dripping all over.
Yeah.
Okay, that was the second one.
So similar actually. Or the same one to be honest.
Okay, ready?
That one tastes homemade.
Does it?
That one, yeah.
How can you tell?
No, it tastes like, I don't know.
Okay, so which one was the actual blizzard?
First 2 very, very similar. Probably the same one, first 2.
Okay, you guessed it. Yeah, the first 2 were the same one. The last one was my protein blizzard. We thought we'd fool you. Okay, but before you go,
That was
out,
mine, dude.
out of 10, what would you say the first, like each of them out of 10?
I mean, they all like, first one's like way too sweet though.
What would you?
I mean, I like yours though.
What would you say out of 10?
Oh, that's what it is though.
It doesn't look that good, but it's. What would you say out of 10?
Both like 8s probably.
Both 8s?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Do you think they're both similar, like equally good, or?
Well, I was like, yours is like a lot less sweet. I don't like sweet things that much.
Oh, okay. Here in the background, they're just eating their rest. All All right, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for participating.
Yo. Yo.
Alrighty guys, so I think I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. So the purpose of today's video was just to share with you guys that, I mean, if you just kind of think outside of the box, you can kind of not 100% replicate, but get pretty damn close to eating the actual thing you're craving for. So again, as you guys saw from earlier today, I tried to recreate the Dairy Queen Blizzard, but I mean, like, you're not gonna 100% replicate the actual thing, especially if your parents taste it because they've been around the block for a bit longer. And for some reason, my parents can really taste the difference between like a protein powdered food and like the actual thing. So whatever. Anyway, if you guys took some inspiration or took some recipe ideas from this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.